Yeah, this is Mike, and right now we are going to start the second video of our course. And let me tell you one thing right now. I have already let you know in the first video, like in the second video, like today video, we are going to search like how we are going to search the target website for our guest posting. That's like on the call with you. Right now we are going to start the course of guest posting with the second video. And the video is about like how would we are going to search target website for our guest posting. So here we go. First of all, we need to open our Google Chrome, and when our Google Chrome is open, you can see different tags in my laptop screen. Is right for us, press health, and also one step you didn't want to forget the semicolons in the start and end of right for us. And there's different niches, like there's different types in guest posting, like it's right for us for health, for fashion, for news, for sports, for technology, different niches. So first of all, you want to search here double colon that I have already let you know. After that, write for us double colon plus, and after that it's health. After you're going to search this, you just simply need to open the website. And first of all, let me tell you one thing. What's that website? This is the first website in Google Chrome, second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and next one. These are all websites, and they are never finish. When the page is finished, you can see more results, and after that the Chrome is going to show you more details and websites. So first of all, you just simply need to click here, and you can see the title of this website is the healthcare blog. Here you can see about the introduction of this website, and you can also see like read this line for me one time. We ask that pieces be between 1000 to 1500 words, and feature outside resources to validate argument within the pieces. So the main of this line is that you can write the article within 1000 or maybe 105, sorry for that, 1000 or 1500. And after that you can see some questions here with the answer, and you can simply scroll down and you can see the team here that's work in this website. That is also very good for you. Like every website, like there is a team, there is no any single person, there is a team that work on the website. There is a contributors, the videos, the follow on Twitter. He provide his email. You can click here and got his email. When you click on the email, you can simply go on to the email app, and you can also see the email here right now. Also here, the first time I forget that the email is also right here. So how would you contact with the like the website owner? By using this email. Okay, right now this is the website, like the first website that I will reach with you. And let me open another website for you. Open it right now. So when we are going to open this website, we can see the article here. This is, I think, a new website. So you can see the article here, and when you click the contact us buttons show in there, they can give you a form. Mostly of the owner of the website can provide you his or her email number. Otherwise, they're providing you this form. You want to fill this form, like your first name, your last name, email, number, interested on, like what you're interested on personal training, nutrition plan. After that, you can scroll down, and you can also see about this website and the location of the website. And yep, that I'm talking about the email and the number. The owner is also provide these two things for you. It's very good website, I think so. So right now, today's lecture is about like how would you're going to search the target websites on Google Chrome. So I can also give you an example with another quotation here. It's guest posting plus help. Oh, health spelling is wrong. Sorry for that. You can write here sports. You can see all of the website sports. You can click here. With the help of this kind of website, you can also go to another many of the website as free. Like you don't want to make the list of the website. These are all the website you can see here. And when you come near, you can see the top and sports website. So there we go. You can see the contact, the author info. Yep, that I will let you know. Like the website is handled by two persons, the author and the owner. You can here you can go to author info, information of the author, the number, the business name, location. He's in Australia, Mount Haverton, Western Australia. Okay. Here you can also see some links about the author business. So today work is done, and simply the today video is about like how would you search target website. I'm repeating once time more for you. How would you open the target website for guest posting? That is simple. Guest posting plus poach plus technology. You can also search here technology. These are all the website about the technology. That's it. So right now our today work is done. So right now we're simply good to go. And if you face any kind of problem in this course, in this video, in our previous videos, you can simply contact me on my email, or otherwise you can comment text on my video, on the same video. I can let you know about your problem. Okay, so take care of yourself, dear. Have a good day. Bye.